Jai Jagannath friends, welcome to Job Start channel. I wish you are all safe and home and keep studying. So if you are new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for daily current affairs and job updates. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 30 April 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. Airtel has signed a $1 billion deal with which company to enhance network capacity? So they have signed 1 million deal with Nokia for 5G. So Nokia headquarters present in Espoo, that is in Finland, and it was founded on 12 May 1865, and Rajiv Suri is its CEO and president. And some GK related to Airtel. Airtel headquarters present in New Delhi. It was founded on 7 July 1995, and Sunil Bharati Mittal is its chairman. Question number 2. What is the GDP growth rate projected by India Rating and Research for India for financial year 2020-21? So it is 1.9%. Previously, they expected it is to be 3.6%. Question number 3. Which government has announced rupees 50 lakh insurance to cover journalists who are reporting during the novel coronavirus outbreak? So this is by Assam government. Recently, Odisha government also declared that they will provide rupees 15 lakhs insurance to journalists who will die due to the coronavirus. And recently, one scheme, that is Dhanvantri scheme, is started in Assam. In this scheme, in Assam, which medicine is not available locally, that medicine will be delivered to your home, and if the medicine cost is below 200 rupees, then it will be free of cost. Some GK related to Assam. Assam capital is Dispur. Its CM is Sarbananda Sonowal, and governor is Jagdish Mukhi. Question number 4. CUPB COVID-19 information portal has been launched by which university? So it is launched by Central University of Punjab, Bathinda. So that is the full form of CUPB. So what this portal will do? This portal will provide updates on COVID-19 research. Question number 5. Which country has unveiled a 100% stake-backed bounce-back loan scheme for the country's small business? So it is launched by United Kingdom. So recently, United Kingdom Finance Minister Rishi Sunak unveiled this scheme. Some GK related to United Kingdom. United Kingdom capital is London. Pound and sterling is its currency, and Prime Minister is Boris Johnson, who is affected in coronavirus. Question number 6. Which state has launched the Jagannath Vidya Devana scheme? So it is launched by Andhra Pradesh. So what is this scheme? Under this scheme, rupees 50,000 to 20,000 will be offered to the poor student. And recently they have announced that the financial assistance to the patients who are discharged in COVID-19 will be gifted 2,000 rupees to increase the immunity power by food. Some GK related to Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh capital is Amaravati. Its CM is Y.S. Jagmohan Reddy, and governor is Vishwabhushan Harichandan. Question number 7. Which IIT institution has developed a web-based dashboard called Prachiti? So it is developed by IIT Delhi. So what is this Prakriti? So this dashboard can predict the district and state-wise transmission rate of coronavirus. Question number 8. Center for Nano and Soft Matter Sciences, that is present in Bangalore, has developed which mask that can hold electric charges to restrict the entry of infection? So the mask name is Tribio mask. Question number 9. Asian Development Bank has approved how much amount loan to India to fight coronavirus pandemic? So it is rupees 1.5 billion US dollar. Some GK related to Asian Development Bank. Asian Development Bank headquarters present in Manila, Philippines, and Masatsugu Asakawa is its president. Question number 10. The Finance Ministry has established the International Finance Services Center Authority, that is IFSCA. The headquarters of IFSCA is at Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Question number 11. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the fintech company, that is IBS Fintech? So his name is Shailesh Haribhakti. And who is the MD CEO? His name is CM Grover. Question number 12. The board of which bank has approved the purchase of an additional 20% stake in Max Life Insurance, which will take its total stake in the insurance to 30%? So it is Axis Bank. Subsidiary to Axis Bank. Axis Bank headquarters present in Mumbai, and Amitabh Chaudhary is its MD and CEO. Question number 13. Which state has set up Ayurveda bodies at state, regional and district levels for COVID-19 prevention program and started Ayu Raksha clinic at government hospitals? So this is done by Kerala state government. Some geography to Kerala. Kerala capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Pinarayi Vijayan is its CM and governor is Arif Mohammad Khan. Question of 14. The PM of which country has changed its media team for the second time since coming to power in 2018 amid mounting criticism of the government? So it is by Pakistan. So Pakistan capital is Islamabad and its PM is Imran Khan and currency is Pakistani rupee. Recently, the women cricketer Sana Mir of Pakistan has announced the retirement, and the male cricketer Umar Akmal has been banned from all format of cricket due to corruption. Question of 15. Which of the following institute has designed a safe and multi-surface sanitizer using UV light for disinfection of devices? So it is designed by IIT Bhubaneswar. Question of 16. Which of the following Ayurveda companies has, it is written twice time, company has launched that will give patients face-to-face interaction with Ayurvedic doctors? So it is launched by Total Ayurveda Care. Question number 17. Which of the following has welcomed the launch of Access to COVID-19 Tools Accelerator? So it is launched by G20. So this year the host country is Saudi Arabia. So Saudi Arabia capital is Riyadh and Saudi Riyal is its currency. And recently the death penalty to the minor is been banned from Saudi Arabia. Question number 18. Which of the following municipal corporation has launched mobile disciplinary for pregnant women in contaminated zone of the city? So it is done by Nagpur Municipal Corporation. Which of the following websites has been launched by the Indian government for coronavirus related information and to help people get relevant information? So the name of the website is COVID Warriors, and this website is launched by our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. Question number 20. Mitchell Robinson passed away. He was related to which sport? So he was a football player. Question number 21. Which of the following banks has introduced a special borrowing program for self-help groups to help them tide over the challenges inflicted by COVID-19? So this bank is Indian Overseas Bank. Subsidiary to India Overseas Bank. Its headquarters present in Chennai, and Karnam Shekhar is its MD and CEO. Question number 22. The scientists at which of the following institutes have developed a method to deliver life-saving treatment to plants with diseases that affect their circulatory system and cannot be treated with pesticides? So this is done by MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Question number 23. which has been recognized as one of the world top 20 aspirational leader in biopharmaceuticals in the Medicine Makers Power List 2020. So her name is Kiran Majumdar Shaw. Question number 24. Irfan Khan passed away recently. He was related to which field? So as you know, he was a famous Bollywood actor. Question number 25. Which of the following has launched a service through which customer can send medicine to the relatives living abroad? So this is launched by Blue Dart Express. Last question of the day. When is the International Day celebrated every year? So International Dance Day is 29 of April. So it marks the birth anniversary of the Gian George, the creator of the modern ballet. So the answer of the yesterday question is the headquarters of WHO is present in Geneva, Switzerland. So question of the day is, where is the headquarters of the ASEAN, that is Association of Southeast Asian Nation? Write down the answer in the comment box. So thanks for your time. I will attach this PDF in the description box. You can go and download it from there. So be happy, stay at home and keep studying. Thank you.